Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Finally, I got all the parts for my new build. As you can see, it will be Big Pilot with blue dial. So let's get started. Normally the first step is to check if the movement is on the midnight, but in this case there is no date window, so I don't have to do that. I can go straight to fitting the dial. Whole watch is big. It's 43 millimeters in diameter. The dial is also awkwardly big. But let's try to place it on the movement anyway. You can see I learned my lesson and now I have a tweezers with a wooden tip to do not scratch anything. Now it's time to remove the pins that are not needed for this movement. It is quite an easy task. You just need nose pliers and slowly wiggle them out from the place. NH35 movement needs 2 pins to hold the dial, so I need to remove 4 of them. I think I can speed up that part a bit. And now when pins are gone, let's place the dial on the movement as it should be. Okay, let's go to the next step, the hands. As always, we start with the hour hand, then minute, and then second. As you can see, at first I place the hand roughly at 12th position. And then after I place the hand press over it, I can fine adjust it. And then when I see that it's placed properly, I can just press down the plunger. Let's go with the next one, minute's hand. It's the same procedure. I place it roughly at the 12th position, in line with the hour hand. And later when I put it under the press, I can fine adjust it again. It took me a moment to get it right on. But after a short fight, I got it. As I said before, a quick adjustment now before I press it firmly down. Now the last one, seconds hand. To be honest, I hate it. It's so small. I can't see it. So to be honest, I did the job off camera. I placed it here roughly under the post, and then I moved under the microscope. Let's go with the next step, the case. Let's open it first, of course with a blue ball. You can see I had a problem here with the protective film. The ball didn't grip properly. Just be careful with the gasket so you don't destroy it. Unscrewing the crown. Taking out the movement holder. A quick wipe. When the movement is in, I try to place the movement holder on top of it. It didn't quite work, so I had to reposition the movement first. And use the stem as a holder. Now you will see it will just snap on into place as it should be. Of course with some small adjustments. Now it's time for the stem. Quick measure from the crown to the case. If I remember well, it was about 6 millimeters. Releasing the stem is easy on this movement, of course. unscrew. And mark it with a Sharpie. It's the easiest way. Now a quick cut, and then I did do some filing under the microscope just to see it a bit better. Now I can place the stem into the movement and see if the length of it is proper. And apparently it is. It screws in very nicely and tightly, so it will be watertight. Now it's time for the gasket. It's good to do not forget about it. I'm just making sure that it sits properly in the groove. Once again, using my best friend, the blue ball, and placing my whole hand in front of the camera so you can see everything very nicely. But here it is. Let's take the protective film off from the crystal. And it's almost done. It's just the strap left. So let's go with it. First step is to take the posts off from the case. Let's put them in the strap and place the strap in place. It's good to use the right side of the tool, isn't it? And the next one. And it's done. Thank you for staying till end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe the channel and like the video to see more content like that. Have a nice one and see you in the next video.